Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the track into Serato and switching to beat grid view so you see each transient clearly. You should zoom in enough to identify the downbeats and set the tempo to the track's original BPM to avoid shifting the grid. Then, pause at the first strong transient. This is your reference point. Once you've located it, use the beat grid set marker to place the first beat. This anchors the grid and prepares Serato to snap subsequent beats accurately. Now you refine the grid by playing a few bars and watching alignment. You'll nudge the grid left or right when beats are slightly off. If Serato miscounts subdivisions, add or remove beat markers to correct 1/2 or 1/4 bar errors. This prevents drift. You should also verify the BPM if multiple measures start to slip, because an incorrect BPM will make repeated nudging ineffective. Once done, play through and make small adjustments until finish by saving the corrected beat grid so the metadata persists across sessions. You do this inside the beat grid menu. Then test by toggling sync and mixing with a trusted reference track. If the beats lock, you're done. If you notice persistent drift, reanalyze the BPM or try re-importing a cleaner version of the audio, because artifacts or edits can confuse detection. One key tip: when things go wrong, reset the grid and replace the first beat before making further adjustments. It fixes many issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.